This 2012 BMW 5 Series is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. 528i xDrive Premium Package Technology Package Navigation System Power Sliding Sunroof Rear View Camera Heated Front Seats 2.0L 4-cylinder Turbocharged Engine 8-speed Automatic Transmission All-Wheel Drive Keyless Entry Fog Lamps Cruise Control Adjustable Steering Wheel Power Automatic Windows Power Door Locks Dark Graphite Metallic Exterior Black Leather Interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any questions you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 BMW 528i xDrive is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.